Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about two very popular no-code tools. These are FlutterFlow and the Bubble. Many people want to create apps or websites without coding, and these tools make it possible. But which one is more powerful and which one is a better choice for you? That's what we will explore in this video. But before we start, don't forget to check the description below this video. I added links where you can check official updates, features and deals for both FlutterFlow and the Bubble. So always check the description after watching this video because these tools update often and deal changes later. So let's start with the FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is focused on app development. It is based on Flutter, which is a programming framework. It's based on Flutter, which is programming framework, and it's made by Google. So with FlutterFlow you can build mobile app for Android and iOS and you just don't need any coding. So it has the drag and drop feature and pre-built components and even Firebase integration for database. Now many people like FlutterFlow because the apps created are very fast and native, so that means they work very well on phones. You can also export the code if you want to add custom feature later. However, FlutterFlow can feel a little bit technical at the starting because some parts need understanding of app structure. Now let's talk about the Bubble. Bubble is a very popular no-code platform for web app. You can build website, marketplaces and SaaS product without coding. Bubble has a strong visual editor and you can create complex workflow, user accounts and database. Many startups use Bubble to launch their product quickly. Bubble is very flexible and powerful web apps, but it is not for mobile apps directly. You can make your web apps mobile friendly, but for native mobile apps, FlutterFlow is a better choice. So which one is more powerful? It depends on your goal. If you want to build a native mobile app, then FlutterFlow is the strongest choice. But if you want to build a web app or SaaS product, Bubble is the player in this game because it's very powerful and very flexible. So both tools are improving all the time. So choosing depends on your project type, skill level and the platform you want to target. In short, FlutterFlow is strong for mobile app and the Bubble is strong for the web app and SaaS. Both are great tools, but your needs will decide which one is best for you. Now don't forget to check the description for the official links, latest update and the best deals. These will help you to get started with the right tool quickly. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.